Uncover the answers as we delve into the intriguing science of graphology. The historical roots of graphology. 1. First ideas. Scientific foundation. 2. French handwriting analyst Jean Michin laid the foundation for graphology as a science in the 31870s. The first attempts to link handwriting and personality date back to ancient India, Egypt, and Greece. 20th century expansion. Graphology gained wider recognition in the 20th century, with notable practitioners including the likes of Sigmund Freud and Carl Jung. The science behind graphology. Handwriting and personality traits. Studies have identified specific handwriting features associated with various personality traits. Cognitive processes. Research suggests that handwriting can provide insight into cognitive abilities such as memory, attention, and language processing. Subconscious expression. Handwriting analysis can identify subconscious tendencies, providing insight into how a person thinks and behaves. Brain functions. Measurements of brain activity during handwriting tasks have revealed specific brain regions involved in the process, providing further evidence of the link between handwriting and the brain. Applications of graphology. Employment screening. Handwriting analysis can be used in the hiring process to assess a candidate's personality traits and suitability for the job. Therapeutic tool. Graphology can be used as a therapeutic tool in counseling sessions to help clients better understand their own thought patterns and tendencies. Document verification. Handwriting analysis can be used to detect forgeries and verify the authenticity of signatures and other documents. Important considerations and limitations. 1. Interpretation. 2. Context. Interpretation is key to handwriting analysis, and the validity of the results is dependent on the experience and expertise of the analyst. Contextual factors, such as age, gender, and cultural background, can affect the way a person writes and should be taken into consideration. 3. Limitations. Handwriting analysis should not be used as the sole means of making important decisions, such as hiring or legal proceedings. Critiques and controversies. The skeptics, the supporters. Critics argue that graphology lacks a scientific basis and that its claims are often exaggerated and unfounded. Supporters of graphology maintain that it is a legitimate science and that it can provide useful insight into personality and behavior. Conclusion and future directions. Continued innovation. New technologies and methodologies are emerging, expanding the potential scope and accuracy of graphology. Future possibilities. As the field continues to grow and develop, it may lead to new applications and insights into the workings of the human mind. Globe.